This video will show you how to use the askGTX knowledge base. The knowledge base is a collection of short articles about city-related services. Citizens can search the knowledge base using keyword searches or browsing by category. Keyword searches should be limited to 1 or 2 words. For example, use the keyword pothole or a short phrase like tennis center. After entering your keyword search, a list of articles will appear below. Click on the article to see if it answers your questions. This article explains how to report a pothole and provides links to additional resources. Citizen feedback is greatly appreciated and helps improve our knowledge base. You may provide feedback by selecting yes or no on the bottom of the article. Please let us know if the article was helpful or needs improvement. We review your knowledge base feedback frequently to improve the content and make sure it meets our citizens' needs. If you have questions or need assistance, please reach out to our askGTX ambassadors.